Right now, a lot of organizations are rushing into AI. They are buying licenses, encouraging teams to experiment, and hoping the technology will unlock productivity, speed, and better decision making. But for many businesses, that approach is not delivering the results they expected. The issue is not that AI has no value. The issue is that AI without strategy quickly becomes noise. When organizations adopt AI without a clear plan, leaders start asking hard questions. Why are we doing this? Where should we use it first? What problem is it solving? And how will we know whether it is worth the investment? Those are exactly the questions a strong AI strategy is designed to answer. Strategy brings focus, it connects AI to business priorities, and helps organizations move from experimentation to meaningful value. This is where HR becomes critically important. AI is not only about systems, platforms, or technical tools. It is also about people, process, capability, and change. If employees are unsure, untrained, or unconvinced, adoption will slow down. If managers do not understand how to lead with AI, the organization will struggle to scale it. And if the workforce does not trust how AI is being used, resistance will grow. That means HR has a central role to play in helping AI succeed. HR's role sits in 3 areas. First, HR can help facilitate the strategy by bringing the right stakeholders together and helping the organization decide why AI matters, where it can add value, and what responsible adoption should look like. Second, HR needs to apply AI inside HR itself in areas such as recruitment, employee support, learning, analytics, and service delivery. Third, HR needs to stay ahead of change because AI is already reshaping the profession, and the teams that adapt early will be far more effective. So, what does a practical AI strategy look like? It starts with value. Before anything else, the organization needs to be clear on the purpose. What is the real business problem? What result are we trying to improve? From there, the next step is to identify the best opportunities and benefits. In other words, where can AI actually make the biggest difference? Which use cases deserve attention first? After that comes viability. Not every good idea is worth doing right away. Some use cases may be too expensive, too complex, too risky, or too dependent on capabilities the organization does not yet have. That is why strategy also needs a viability check. Then comes execution. This is where the organization turns ideas into an adoption roadmap. Priorities, ownership, skills, vendors, timelines, and change management. Without that roadmap, even a good strategy stays on paper. And finally, there is governance. Organizations need clear guardrails for privacy, ethics, compliance, risk, and oversight. Responsible adoption is not a side issue. It is part of making AI sustainable. So the big message is this: AI should become a strategic asset, not just another technology experiment. And for HR, that means leading the people side, shaping the strategy, and helping the organization use AI in a way that is focused and practical.